Good morning everybody, how are we doing? It's Monday and I'm in the salon today. I'm going to be working on the Stafford education this morning. I've got one mannequin head here. I was in here yesterday prepping this one. You might not be able to see it, but it's bright pink, the Lee Stafford pink colour. I'll get some lights on and then we'll start getting these mannequins all ready. There we go. We'll get the mannequins ready. So I've got one prepped which is just there, and then my pink one which is just here. And I'm going to be doing the short grad today, but what's quite special about today's live is that it's sponsored by Alpha Italia. Alpha Italia, a brand that I love, I work with, and the scissors are being given out to, was it North Kent College, I think, today? Lee and Jane are heading down there to present for the Big Tens for the college trainers. And it's going to be me and Mike Saunders on live at 2 o'clock today. So I'm in here, what's the time? Just gone 11. So I'll get all these prepped. I'm out of breath. Been running all over the place this morning. And also had a text this morning from Lean from Joyco Europe. And I said on last week's vlog I won't be flying this month. I had a show event cancel, but it's been reinstated. More people have booked on it, so me and Ian are going to be heading out to Helmond 19th, 20th, 21st of this month. So again, another busy month. And then I just seen in my diary that wasn't in my diary, but I knew somebody messaged me, Anthony, on Instagram, and said looking forward to your course on the 13th, 14th of June. And I was like, what's that? And I looked at my diary and I was like, I'm away the 17th to 20th. And I was like, oh, it's the Masterpiece Collection at Weston-super-Mare Salon Concepts. So I'll be there in June. It's good to get messages from people as well. So if you're coming on one of my courses, let me know in the comments or on Instagram. I'm at paulwatts.life or at paulwattshair. Same on TikTok. I've been using TikTok a bit more now. But but YouTube is the platform for me. And if you want to support the channel, you can click the join button below. That is, you can join for like 99p a month, and then you get coming onto our live streams, which is going to be a lot of our podcasts. So you'll get to come on those. You'll get to use special emojis. You'll get sort of behind the scenes stuff. And then the levels go up. There's one which is, I can't remember the price, but it's like consultation. And it can be consultation on your hair. It can be consultation on social media. It can be consultation on colours, cutting, whatever. But if you join that level, and there's levels all in between as well, which is just to support. But yeah, I thought I'd just mention that now because I haven't really spoken about it for a little while. But yeah, really enjoying it all. Let's get these mannequins ready. And then once I've done them all, I'll talk to you just before I'm about to go live. Do you know what invention would be quite good with these shower heads? I always think you've got a brush on the top, you know, like at a car wash, but like a soft brush or bristles. I mean, if they exist, I'll have them. If they don't, I think it's a Dragon's Den idea. I ain't got the time to do it, so if somebody wants to invent one, I'd like that. But this was left on overnight, the pink. I came in here yesterday just to set up, because I was in Helmond with Joyco last week teaching social media. That was a week ago. I took all my gear. I took all my cameras and everything, and some of my lighting stuff, so I had to come in here yesterday, set it all up. And then I popped this pink on, this mannequin, ready for today. But yeah, I've got about 2 hours until 1 o'clock. And then I'll meet Mike online at 1 just to discuss like what we've got planned, what I've got planned, what we want to talk about. Look at that, that looks cool. This is the short grad recipe. And it's one of my favourite recipes, to be honest, but it's one of the ones that the colleges really struggle with. So I'm going to get this dry. I'm going to be refining it live, so I'm not going to do any refining on it. It's literally just cut. You can see this disconnection here. It's a really cool haircut. So that's us in the studio ready to go. What is the time? 12:45, so Mike will be on there any minute. There is my after. There is my before. I've got another before. I've got another after as well. So I'm just going to get it all set up, get the live done, and then I'll join you after with a little breakdown of what we have to do on our lives. If you want to learn how to go live on YouTube, then I'll break it down for you. Hey everyone, so that is me finished for the day. You can see this mannequin here. That is the one we just did for Leeds Stafford Education. That is it all done. I think it looks really cool. They loved it. And then what I've just done today, I've just done 2 videos. This big and bouncy number. So this will go live this week. This is going to be a butterfly haircut with compound cutting. So let's get some light on it so you can see the beauty. It looks better in the video. Should have a little bit of a... There we go. There we go. She looks great. In the video, go and check it out. I'll link it above so you can watch it. And I've also just done a video for this. This is a big and bouncy blow dry butterfly haircut. So the butterfly haircut's done. I've actually done a blow dry, quick blow dry, 6 sections to get this blow dry. Big and bouncy number in 6 sections. So that's going to be a winner as well, I think. Something that if someone struggles with big and bouncy hair or it takes them too long, this blow dry method is a winner. So again, here is my studio. So we're just packing it all up now. I always do that. And then we've got a green screen now down here, which is for other things I'm going to be doing. We've got this little corner here, which is Joico. And yeah, all my lighting, everything. Look at my setup, mate. My setup for a hairdresser is the actual bomb. And we've got this over here. So Joico, Alpha Italia, Joico, the globe, and that. And that. So yeah, I'm going to get gone now. I've just been into the Kino Lounge for some lunch after the live. The live went very well. Very happy with my look. And it was good to see Mike. So Lee is currently at a college giving away... So Alpha Italia sponsored the live. Alpha Italia donating scissors or sponsoring with scissors for the lives. And they're going to be giving scissors to the Stafford Education Foundation. So the learners who get 22 big 10s in their recipes get a free pair of scissors just to show their hard work and dedication, and they're going to be Alpha Italia, which is great. Someone actually on the live had some Evo Alpha Italia scissors as well, someone called Amy, which was really good to hear that people who I'm teaching are using them. So yeah, really good. But yeah, I'm going to pack up now, get all this clear, get home, get editing, and it's like a gym. I really should go gym. I'll see if I can go gym. I do need to go gym. I also want to edit these videos. Gym. Go gym. I'll go gym. All right. So yeah, I will probably see you tomorrow, Tuesday, where I'm going to be editing. I'll show you some editing as well, what I'm getting up to. But yeah, today's video, I just wanted to basically show you what I do when I make all my videos, when I go live and everything like that. So if that's something you want to know, I'd love to share it. See you tomorrow. So we've just had some good news. There's this company called Lux Life, and they're a luxury magazine company that run like internal competitions within different health and beauty sectors. And we don't get the magazine. I would like to get the magazine. I think it's just online though. But every year they run a competition, like I said, and every year we get nominated without having to like enter anything or pay or anything like that. It's just you get an email to say, oh, Paul Watts Hairdressing has been recognised as like an industry leader in your area. If you want to put anything like accompanying documents or anything like that, you can. I never really do because I haven't really got time to go through it all, and I don't enter it. But these guys, and I'm really appreciative. Thank you for always putting us into the competition every single year, and we've just won Colourist of the Year. So let me just grab the email up. So, where is it? So, hi Paul, hope this email finds you well. I would like to thank you for taking part in the 7th Annual Health and Beauty Wellness Awards. 7th. God. So, I mean, we've been nominated and we've won an award every single year. And it's Lux Life Health and Beauty Wellness Awards 2023. In which we celebrate the standout brands, products and professionals who have gone above and beyond to make us feel our most beautiful selves inside and out. So they do like loads of research when it comes to client satisfaction, when it comes to social platform, when it comes to like brand in general, and then what you're doing. So following on from your recent nomination, our final decision has been reached. It gives me great pleasure to inform you that Paulwatts Hairdressing has been successful this year and gone to receive Best Colour Specialist Hair Salon 2023 Northamptonshire in the Health Beauty Wellness Awards 2023. Amazing. This fantastic news and well-deserved achievement for Paulwatts Hairdressing. To determine the results, the Lux Life judging panel and research team take into consideration the commitment, expertise and innovation shown by nominees through nomination information. Oh, so we must get nominated. Voting information, any supporting evidence that you have supplied, which I don't, along with the results from their own extensive period of fact-checking research. So, amazing. So cool for us to keep winning awards every single year since we opened. But yeah, I think we're going to go for some big awards this year as well, and then probably some even bigger awards next year, if I've got the time. This year's crazy with all my travel, and I'm bringing everything to you, everything I'm doing. And it's snowing today. Another weird thing. Snowing in March. So I'm going to get to the salon now. I've got a busy day. I've got my mum in. So full head bleach, just roots, but full head bleach. Tone, we use the Vero glaze. TPB, TBB, TSB. Used to use CCV. It's discontinued, but we can still order it. So if you still want to get it, grab some now. And we do a little bit of sometimes INV, INS, depending on where we want to go. And then I've got a balayage in, half head balayage, refresh. Then I've got mum's cut and finish, which is a little graduated bob. Then I've got a long layered haircut. Then I've got a full head highlights, lunch, and then cut and finish. And then I've got to get some videos filmed, but I finish around about 8 o'clock tonight in the salon. So if I can film after that, I will. If I can take you through some of the stuff throughout the day, I will if they let me. And yeah, I'll just continue. But yesterday I was going to vlog my editing. I think I'll do a separate video on it, or maybe might do like a week of editing just to show you how much editing I have to do. But I edited the new video, which is the butterfly haircut in 5 cuts, 5 sections of compound cut. You'd have already seen it. I was explaining it in last week's vlog as well. But yeah, it's doing well. That went up last night. I've got the 90s blow dry to go up this week. Got this vlog to go up this week. And then then we start the podcast. So when Ian gets back from skiing, we're going to start the podcast. So yeah, loads happening, loads to look forward to. I'm going to get to the salon now, so I'll see you soon.
What are you not shy for? Because I'm on camera now. I don't know.
Just tell us who you are, how long you've been here, where did you move from, and what's your favourite thing?
What's my favourite thing? In the world or in hairdressing?
Hair, obviously.
Who are you?
I'm Sophie, one of them.
Yeah.
I moved from Surrey in February of last year, and I've been here since May, almost a year.
Almost a year.
Almost a year.
Well, it's flown by, isn't it?
Yeah, can't believe it. I always feel like I started like a month ago, but I didn't. And then my favourite thing in hair is like doing a complete like transformation. I know
makeover.
Yeah, like changing, doing like a big drastic change.
Cool.
Yeah.
And then what's your Instagram?
Sophie Mallet Hair.
There we go.